Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to make an Mla template. This template you can use throughout Core 1000 and intellectual foundations. So to start off, Mla papers have an Mla heading and page numbers. So I'm going to show you how to do those. So the Mla header includes your name, professor's name, course code, and military due date. So what that looks like is this. So for me, my name is Abby Perch. My professor is Professor Pali. I'll be saying my course code is Core 1000 as if I was in the writer's workshop, and then include your section if you have one. So for me, let's say I'm in section 3, and then your military due date. So this date needs to be in military format, and it needs to be the day that this paper is due, or when you're turning it in. So say that my paper is due today, it'll look like this. So it's the 25th of August, and the year is 2022. So that's the military due date. So you do the day in numbers, the month spelled out, and then the year. Then the only thing that's wrong with this is the formatting. So in MLA, you have a couple of font options. So you can use Times New Roman, Calibri, or Arial. I personally prefer Times New Roman, so I'll be doing that. And then your font size can be 11 or 12. I would rather have 12, so I'm going to use 12. And the last thing is your text needs to be double spaced. So there are a couple ways that you can do this. You can toggle over to this icon that says line and paragraph spacing, hit double, or you can go to format, line and paragraph spacing again, and hit double. So now my MLA header is formatted properly and it has all the correct information. The next thing I need to do or include is page numbers. So I'll go to insert, I'll hit page numbers, and then I want this top left option. And so when it inserts my page number, I need to reformat it to match my text. So remember I did Times New Roman in 12. So you're not done quite yet. You do still need to add your last name in front of the number so that every single time that you have a new page, it will automatically do the next number. So for me, it'd be 1 and then 2, but it'll always include my last name. So I'll show you what that looks like. So look, I've got onto the second page and it already appears with page 2 and my last name. And then finally, you include a title on your paper. So I'm going to go to the next line and then center the text on the page and write your title. So for me, I'll just be writing title because I don't have one. And this is also a template so that I can always remember I need a title, but it's formatted properly and all I simply have to do is highlight it and write my new title. For this heading, you can obviously change it so that it says the information you prefer. So say you want to use this template for other classes, you can remove the course code that I've written and write in just simply course code. You could do the same thing with professor's name and just a generic date if that's what you prefer. Just remember to change these when you use it again. So I say that you're using it again because this is the easiest way to start your next paper. So say I have an assignment that's due for Professor Pali. I simply hit File, make a copy, and then say this is my Tempest essay. And now I have a perfectly formatted MLA document. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to any one of the fellows or the Writing Center in general. Thank you.